Hello students, I am Supriya. Today we are going to learn a new topic in our class 9 chemistry, structure of atom. First we should know what is the structure. Structure mean what we are immediately imagine when I say some word. For example, if I say you about mobile, you all have a clear picture in your imagine how a mobile phone look like, right? If I say copper, is it possible to imagine how a copper look like? Some of you may say that a copper bottom vessel or copper water bottle, copper tumbler, right? What is that single part of a small element part of a copper? You can't imagine, right? So all the element, all the things in our universe is made up of molecules. What it is made up of? It is made up of molecules. Every molecule is made up of atoms. In the beginning, it is believed that scientist Miss John Dalton proposed that it is indivisible. Atoms are indivisible. That means it cannot be broken further. There is nothing inside that. It cannot be broken into simpler pieces. That's why he said that it is indivisible. But later on years, it was found out that atoms are divided into subatomic particles called protons, electrons, and neutrons. Let us see about one by one what does this proton, electron and neutron mean by. Proton was discovered by the scientist Goldstein. He discovered proton and he concluded these protons are positively charged particles. These are called as positively charged particles. It is done in the year of, discovered at the year of 1866. At the year of 1900, scientist Mr. J.J. Thomson, he discovered negatively charged particles. He named this negatively charged particles as electrons. So, it's a major discovery because in the beginning it was believed that atoms cannot be divided further. It is indivisible in nature. The discovery of proton and electron created a milestone in developing the structure of atom, because in the beginning it was believed that atoms are indivisible, but at the year 1866 Goldstein discovered that positively charged particle called as proton, and in the year 1900 J.J. Thomson discovered negatively charged particle called electron. So only these two were comprises of an atom? No, we have a neutrally charged particle also. There is no charge. Neutrally charged particle, we call that as neutrons. It was discovered by scientist Chadwick. Okay. The discovery of proton, electron and neutron led to open a new doors to discuss about the topic of structure of atoms to many scientists. So now let's move on to the structure of atom, the many theories and model proposed by the scientist. The first theory proposed by J.J. Thomson. He proposed the theory that electrons are embedded in a mass, like we can say in a sphere full of positive charge, electrons are embedded on it. So this model is popularly known as plum pudding model. Yeah, you heard it rightly, plum pudding model. Like a cake it will be, plum pudding, the cake, right? the same model it will look like. So full of protons. Here and there you have the raisins or nuts in your plum cake, right? Plum pudding cake. So likewise, in the here and there we have electrons embedded on it. So in this he said that number of positive charged particle equal to number of negatively charged particles. That means number of protons and number of electrons are equal, and atom is electrically neutral. How it is electrically neutral? It is having 7 proton. Proton can be said like this, P plus, and 7 electron. It is positively charged, it is negatively charged. So plus 7 minus 7 mutually cancels each other. So your atom is finally electrically neutral. This is the model proposed by J.J. Thomson.